Hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we're going to talk about the first chapter in the plant engineering. We will cover on the maintenance management. Okay, these are the learning outcomes in which acquire sufficient knowledge of maintenance in engineering, and then we're going to identify the type of maintenance in which we have two. And usually maintenance is known as the MRO. Maybe you pergi LI nanti ada MRO tersebut. So MRO means that maintenance, repair and operation. Okay. It involves fixing. Okay, that's a keyword. Any sort of mechanical, electrical device in the industry. Okay. And then kita ada another keyword is performance routine action. So you don't have to wait until it's breakdown. So you do the maintenance, okay, and then prevent trouble, in which that you anticipate the breakdown, okay, and also is defined as all action which have the objective of retaining, restoring, fixing, okay, supaya the system will operate as required, okay. Okay, these are another terms. Okay, this is from the standard. Okay, so these are the keywords that you need to look for. Okay, to retain, to restore, and then to retain the material. Okay, maksud dia you do the service. Okay, to the machines, equipment, and then you also do the routine, recurring work. Okay, so maintenance ni orang kata you need to do a maintenance in your car. Okay, you need maintenance dekat rumah you, apartment, if you live in apartment, if you duduk dekat college also kita ada maintenance. Okay, maintenance is everywhere. We need maintenance in our life. Okay, there's a two term that you need to know in maintenance. Okay, the first one is corrective, atau known as breakdown maintenance, and the other one is preventive maintenance, in which you anticipate the breakdown. Okay, these two main component you need to know, right? Corrective atau breakdown berlaku setelah berlakunya breakdown, so it's emergency. Yang ni kita tak nak. In industry, if this happen, it's going to cost you a lot. Production line stop, and then demand tak boleh nak fulfill, customer marah, barang tak dapat and all that. Okay, and usually it happen sebab kita tak buat maintenance. Kalau kita buat maintenance selalu, jarang sesuatu sistem akan breakdown tanpa sebab. Okay, the breakdown tiba-tiba. So when it happen, it's gonna very expensive sebab dia melibatkan semua sekali. Okay, nak cari spare part dalam waktu yang short gonna cost you a lot. Okay, and even the system, kalau dia emergency breakdown, dia akan effect more, lagi teruk kan. Sepatutnya if we start with the preventive breakdown, preventive maintenance, kita jaga dia elok, kita service dia, bila dia rosak tu tak seteruk yang emergency yang breakdown tiba-tiba ni. Okay, the other one is the preventive maintenance. This is the one that orang kata is a very good orang kata program. Maksud dia, you buat maintenance secara berkala, okay, before breakdown to occur. Kalau boleh kita nak zero breakdown, that's the best. Okay, sebab bila zero breakdown, kita punya line jalan, tak ada masalah dan sebagainya. And this is the most efficient way. So dalam preventive maintenance, dia ada dua lagi kita akan pecahkan. Okay, so corrective breakdown maintenance, satu in which it's going to cost you a lot, and the other one is preventive maintenance, and they are two type. Okay, jom kita tengok dulu dalam breakdown ataupun corrective maintenance. Nampak, it cost you a lot. Bila equipment fail, downtime, machine stop, line stop, customer marah, kadang-kadang quality problem and all that. Yang paling bahaya sekali kalau ada melibatkan health safety. Okay, breakdown melibatkan kemalangan. Oh, it's a very big issue coming. Okay. Okay, preventive maintenance. Now, this is the one that the best, the most efficient or effective way, okay, in maintaining the system. Usually, it done routinely and is planned. Maksudnya kita plan out the maintenance. Termasuklah inspection, detection, okay, correction, kita tukar parts. And that's usually dia akan melibatkan test. Kadang kita do some testing sebelum kita tukar parts, okay. adjustment, replacement, all that. Okay. So maintaining equipment and facilities in the satisfactory operating condition. Okay, by provide these 3 element. Okay. Ini adalah preventive checklist. Maksud dia checklist ni dijalankan untuk pergi kat sistem tu and dia check. Okay tak? Okay, yang ni saya rasa untuk mesin untuk mungkin CNC mesin dia ada X-axis, Y-axis dan sebagainya. So dia akan check. If everything in the good, so it's okay. Kalau fair ni, they need to plan something. Poor ni, better be careful. Dia akan breakdown anytime. So these checklists are very important untuk check. Okay, preventive maintenance ada 2, right? Planned maintenance ataupun as a PM, short form. And then satu lagi condition based, CBM ataupun kita panggil nama lain predictive maintenance. Kita predict bila dia nak breakdown. Okay. So, plan ni maksud dia ada checklist dan berkala. Dia ada jadual. Okay, nampak? Schedule service. And condition based maintenance atau predictive maintenance, dia more on dia predict melalui data. Dia ada data from sensor, mungkin temperature sensor, vibration sensor dan sebagainya. Dan dia guna data tu untuk predict mungkin dalam masa 6 bulan kalau kita tak buat maintenance, dia akan breakdown. Dia macam tu. So dia guna sensor IoT. Okay, now is Internet of Things. It's orang kata IR 4.0 memang melibatkan condition based maintenance ataupun predictive maintenance. Okay, kita tengok dulu plan maintenance, right? In plan maintenance, kita kena tahu advantage dan disadvantage dia. Untuk advantage plan maintenance, is easy planning dan kita boleh order barang ikut bila kita nak ganti. Okay? And then the cost is more, orang kata evenly, maksudnya kita boleh plan the cost. Okay, mungkin untuk bulan ni kita plan untuk mesin A, and then mesin B kita plan untuk next month. Okay? And no initial cost for instrument or supervision equipment. Maksudnya dia tak perlu letak sensor ataupun anything yang memerlukan additional service. Okay? So dia just make sure setiap 3 bulan dia tukar ni. Setiap 3 bulan dia oil the conveyor belt. Okay, setiap 3 bulan dia tukar ni. So dia dah set. Okay? And disadvantage dia less reliable. Kadang-kadang kita dah tukar, cuma kita tak tahu sebenarnya bila kita tukar tu ada benda lain skru dalam tu kita tak check. Okay, ada benda kemungkinan kita terlepas pandang. That's the word, terlepas pandang. Okay. And more expensive sebab kadang-kadang kita tukar barang ikut bulan, kita tak ikut keperluan. Sebab apa? Kita nak mengelakkan berlakunya breakdown yang emergency. Okay. So get it? Okay. And contoh plan maintenance ni, servis kereta lah paling mudah. Kan? Setiap berapa kilometer kita tukar minyak hitam. Padahal kita tak orang kata tak breakdown lagi. Kita tak nampak enjin kita problem. Tapi kita dah cakap setiap 10,000 kilometer ke berapa kilometer kita akan tukar minyak hitam. Minyak enjin for that. And okay, ni contoh-contoh dia. Okay, dia based on apa? Equipment running hours. Mungkin untuk mesin selepas 10,000 jam. Okay, selepas berapa jam dia akan tukar certain equipment. Okay. Number of item produced. Ini kalau melibatkan mesin yang menghasilkan barang. Mungkin selepas 5,000 dia menghasilkan barang tersebut, dia kena tukar setempat. Okay. Contohnya tooling lah. Kalau dia buat CNC. So certain lepas 10,000 parts yang kecil dia buat, dia kena tukar. Okay. Mungkin dah tumpul dan sebagainya. Untuk kereta, distance travel. Berapa ribu kilometer. Okay. Contohnya, 3,000 batu, tukar minyak enjin. Okay. Ini contoh Contoh dia maintenance of conveyor belt. Setiap berapa bulan atau setiap berapa banyak produk yang lalu situ dia akan tukar. Ini untuk forklift. Forklift macam kenderaan lah. Kenderaan usually is planned maintenance. Dan juga aircon kat rumah. Okay. Kalau perasan aircon, setiap berapa bulan kita kena service sebenarnya. Kena clean the filter. Kena do all the light maintenance. Okay. Kalau tidak, dia akan cepat breakdown. Okay, ini adalah contoh the planned maintenance kereta. Kalau kita nak pergi jalan jauh, okay. Kadang-kadang siapa beli kereta baru, dia dah ada buku. Dan you tengok, okay, berapa ribu kilometer, tukar ni. So, you follow je. Maksud dia ada checklist. Senang je. Plan maintenance, the keyword is checklist. There's a checklist, there's a calendar involved, maksudnya dia ada time, dan juga dia ada parts involved, okay? So these are the checklist, you can check it out. Panjangnya checklist dia, they have so many things actually. Okay, now we look at the other part of the preventive maintenance, iaitu CBM ataupun predictive maintenance. Okay, keyword dia untuk yang ini, okay, dia mesti untuk critical equipment yang mahal, yang canggih-canggih. So sekarang ni, mostly macam power plant, contohnya macam orang kata oil and gas, macam di Pengerang, refinery semua dah CBM. Maksud dia dah letak sensor, dia ada IoT. Dia boleh bagi tahu dekat kita yang bahawa there's gonna be problem soon. Okay. Dia dah predict, dia dah agak. Kalau dibiarkan lama dan dia akan keluarkan sejenis reminder. Okay, I think the vibration is graph vibration sudah tunjukkan almost increasing. So we need to do something. Okay. Mari kita tengok advantage dia dulu. Okay, untuk predictive, advantage dia improve reliability system. Selalunya, bila kita beli sistem yang mahal, for sure, it's built in CBM already. Okay, kalau tengok kereta yang mahal, okay, kereta yang level, orang kata level mahal lah, semua dah CBM. Nampak tak? Kereta, kalau tengok level-level Mercedes, level-level Ferrari, Lamborghini, dia dah ada sistem yang awak tak boleh hantar dekat pomen kereta biasa je untuk tukar. Dia ada sistem, sebab sistem tu akan bagi indikator apa yang akan berlaku. Okay. Angin tak cukup, dia akan bagi indikator. Kalau engine run terlalu panas, tak macam biasa, dia akan bagi indikator. So all the system have been computerized. Kalau tengok dashboard panel kereta mahal ni, macam-macam simbol dia. Itu kita dah masuk area CBM. Kalau setakat Proton, Honda yang kereta biasa, dia still kita panggil plan maintenance. Dia belum level atas. Kita tahu kalau sebuah kenderaan tu dah sampai CBM, bila harga dia dah macam sebiji rumah. Gitu. Okay. Decrease cost maintenance. Betul. Maintenance cost rendah, tapi sebab apa kita kira long term? Kita beli dengan sistem tu sekali. Okay. Katalah sistem tu bernilai 10 juta. So, kalau kita dah ada CBM, so cost dia tak perlulah sebab dia dah built in dalam. Okay, sebab tu masuk dia decrease cost maintenance. Decrease number of maintenance operation of human error. Okay, maksud dia bila kita dah ada CBM, dah ada predictive maintenance dalam sistem tersebut, maka manusia tak payah intervene, tak payah pergi sibuk-sibuk nak tengok, tak payah sebab dia dah built in. Sensor-sensor ni akan catch all the signal, all the data. Dan dia akan keluarkan graph, dan bila graph tu dah start tunjukkan there's something wrong, dia akan start bagi signal. Okay. And disadvantage dia, nampak tak? High cost installation. Maksud dia sistem tu sendiri mahal. Tapi long term, dia murah dari segi maintenance cost. Sebab tak perlu hantar orang selalu, tak perlu tukar parts yang tak rosak lagi. So, it have been included in the system. And unpredictable maintenance period are causing cost to be divided. Okay. Kadang-kadang bila CBM ni, kadang sistem tu tak berapa, orang kata sensitif, dia ada terlepas pandang sedikit. Okay. So, nak agak pun, nak simpan spare part pun, kita tak tahu lagi sebab selagi dia tak bagi signal, kita tak boleh tukar suka-suka. So, berapa banyak kita nak simpan spare part? Kena standby. Increase number of parts. Inilah yang Umi cakap tadi. Maksud dia, kalau plan, you dah agak, setiap 3 bulan you akan pakai minyak engine, let's say, you simpan banyak-banyak. Tapi untuk CBM, walaupun dia jarang ada maintenance, tapi kita tak tahu bila akan berlaku. Kita berdasarkan data, kita berdasarkan sensor. Okay? So, sensor canggih lah. Okay, Arduino lah, all that kind of sensor lah. Okay? And usually dia guna data apa? Vibration, temperature. Kadang-kadang ada yang pakai pressure. So, it depends. Dan dia ada combination algorithm yang akan kata certain this, combination this. Kalau dia keluarkan graph macam ni, dia akan jadi macam ni. Okay, so it's a smart system kita panggil. And must be critical equipment. Kalau setakat benda murah ni tak berbaloi orang kata nak letak CBM. Okay. Usually in manufacturing sector, okay, they use different parameter, vibration, temperature, pressure. and mostly in the railway, very important. Okay, kadang-kadang kita nak tahu apa tu, landasan kereta api laju, tu very sensitive. Yang tu mesti kena ada CBM, sebab kalau kemalangan, wow, it's gonna cost you a lot. Okay, aviation, okay, especially sebab kita apa tu, terdedah dengan safety dan sebagainya, dan oil and gas industry. Sebab apa? Equipment dia sangat-sangat mahal. So dia dah ada built-in CBM. Right? Okay, so I will discuss this in the live lecture. Okay, so I see you next time in the part 2.